welcome back to my channel. So me and this little fella did my hair today. This video is gonna be my hair routine and how I do my messy waves. I hope y'all enjoy it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We would love to have you as part of our YouTube family here. So we're just gonna jump right into this hair routine because I probably don't have that long to film. Judah is right here in the doorway in his high chair playing with some toys. I probably only have like 30 minutes before he starts going crazy. Probably not even that long. But a couple disclaimers before we get started. Number one, I am a licensed cosmetologist in the state of Texas, but I do not follow all of the hair rules, like the by the book hair rules that you learn in Cosmo School. I do what works for my hair. I have some severe postpartum hair loss over here that's finally growing back in. My hair is the healthiest it's ever been at the moment, so I have to put a crap ton of product to hold my style, which really sucks because I don't like putting a ton of stuff in my hair. But I did, it is air dried right now, probably about 80% of the way. I shampooed it and conditioned it this morning with this shampoo and conditioner from Target. It's by Kristin Ess and it's the signature shampoo and conditioner. Smells amazing. So I like to start with the products that I'm going to put at my root first, which today it's only going to be this one. It's the thickening tonic from Aveda. Now, like I said, I am dealing with postpartum hair loss, so anything I can do to kind of fake that I'm not losing hair. Actually, I'm on the mend from postpartum hair loss. I don't think I'm really losing that much anymore, but I lost it a lot around like my temples. They just kind of went a little bald. I'm just gonna spray this all over, like basically like just the top layer of my roots. I have a ton of hair, so I don't really need a lot of fullness anywhere else but like the very top layer. Next, I'm going to be using the Texture Tonic from Aveda. And you'll see I am using 3 Aveda products in this video. I used to work at an Aveda salon in Dallas when we lived there, so I still have some products from my time there. I love the Pure Abundance shampoo. It's a volumizing shampoo. It's really great. I actually have that in my shower right now, but I didn't use it today. And next, I'm going to be using the Pure Abundance Style Prep from Aveda. And like I said, I have to put a lot of products in my hair to hold my style because my hair is way too healthy right now. So now I'm going to be using my Babyless Rapido blow dryer, and I'm going to flip my head over and just blow dry it the rest of the way, and I'll see y'all in a second. So my hair is blow dried and now I'm just brushing through it, getting all the tangles out. This is the Lanza Keratin Healing Oil. I'm just gonna put the slightest amount on my ends, like not even a lot at all. I really do need a trim, so my split ends are pretty bad. This is just to help kind of mask that I don't need that much of a trim, but I really do. I haven't had my hair cut since last November. So it's June now? Well, it's pretty bad. So since I am dealing with some postpartum hair loss here, and it's really not that bad anymore, but to me, I'm used to having thick, full hair everywhere, but even seeing a little bit of thinness right here, I just can't handle. So I take my Batiste in dark brown, and I just kind of spray it on the spots where I feel like maybe I'm not having like the best hair. And you just want to work it in. So now I'm going to take my Babyless Rapido curling iron. I believe this is an inch or maybe a little bit smaller than an inch, and just a butterfly clip. I'm going to section my hair off. So one of the hair rules that I break is I don't use a heat protectant. And you know, a lot of hairstylists go back and forth, like, is it even, you know, that big of a necessity? And I feel like if your hair is really damaged, then it is a necessity for your hair. But like I said, my hair is way too healthy right now that I actually kind of want to damage it a little bit just so it'll hold my style better, because right now it is just not doing it for me. It is just not holding my style well. So the bottom sections, I don't really care too much about them because they're not seen. But I do alternate my curls. So that one was away from my face. This one's gonna be towards my face. And I have the heat up pretty high. Once again, my hair is too healthy right now. If your hair is severely damaged, then turn down the heat and use a heat protectant. I'm just gonna alternate curls. I'm probably gonna speed through this part a lot until like I'm done. And also by having a higher heat on my curling iron, I don't have to leave the curl there for a while. Like I can literally just like you're seeing how fast I'm doing this. I'm literally just like wrapping it like just so quickly. I don't know if y'all can hear him talking, but he's just chatting away. So I guess I should explain my curls here. So I'm just grabbing a random section. I don't worry about the size of the section. If like all the sections match, I literally just like want to get a bend in my hair. So I'm going to take the section, wrap it around, leave a tail out. You see this? It's about probably like 1.5 inches. And then it's hard to do it because I do it so fast, but whenever I'm gonna release the curl, I like pull down. So it kind of straightens out my ends. Since my ends are pretty frizzy right now, I feel like I have to do that or else my hair just won't look that great. And if I miss like an end, like if I don't release the curl and like straighten the ends out, then I'll just go back over with the curling iron and straighten the end out. Okay, so now we're at the top of my hair. You got like my little thing here. So this is Redken Quick Tease. Love this stuff. I'm just gonna lift up the section that I just pulled up and I'm gonna spray this all over the root. Now I do this before I continue my curling. And then I just take literally any comb, it's like all-purpose comb. I do this before I start curling because if you do it while you're curling, then it's gonna break up a lot of that curl. And since my hair doesn't hold curl right now, I can't afford to break up the curl. I've gotta, if I curl it, it's gotta stay. So I'm literally just gonna do that from every section now that we do now until we're done. And you'll notice I didn't pull any over here. You'll see in a second. Whenever I get to like this part of my hair, I flip it and make sure my part is right. Yeah. I literally just spray that quick tease and then tease a little bit. Okay, so now we're at the last section. So what I'm gonna do is I just kind of put it back and I like flip my head around and just let it fall wherever it wants to. So that's how it wants to fall right now. So I'm just gonna do the same thing, spray the quick tease, tease it, curl it, and yeah, and then we'll do the finishing touches. What, bub? Same thing, alternating curl directions. And he's getting a little antsy, so, oh, that's a little too curled. If you do end up curling it a little too much, just pull it tight and it'll kind of straighten it out a little bit. Now one last little look in the mirror here. Everything is curled. This is kind of what you should be left with. I like to let these sit for like 5-ish minutes or so, kind of let them cool, let them do their thing. And this is where I'll go through, and whatever curls don't look that great, I will recurl them. Bubby. That is it. That is my hair routine for my messy girls. Do you like it? He's already getting a little fussy, so I'm sorry I didn't really talk through the rest of it, but just zhuzh it up with your fingers. Yeah, spray some texture spray in it. I really, really, really like this Kristin Ess line. You can get it at Target. I really like it. Everything smells so good. If you're not into like super florally, like strong scents, then I would probably stay away from it, but I love it. I think it's great. Just flip your head over, spray the texture spray, lift up a section, spray the texture spray, and just kind of work it in and zhuzh it. And like I said, I like my waves to be messy, kind of frizzy. I really like my hair the 3rd day. I hate it when it's freshly washed, so this to me is just not doing it. It actually worked out a lot better than I thought it would. But I really like my hair on the 2nd and the 3rd day. He was crying because he's so tired. Can you say hello? Say hi. Hi. Anyways, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. We would love to have you as part of our family here. So, yeah, thanks y'all. Have a great day. Bye.